Well guys, as promised, on behalf of Joanna at Aloha Spice Company, we have a very special treat for all of you this evening. And I'm joined with David from Kōloa Rum, who's going to be making an amazing cocktail called Aloha 2021. David, could you please take me through the process on making this amazing cocktail?
Absolutely. Well, first of all, thank you so much to Aloha Spice Company for the opportunity to do a wonderful local collaboration using our delicious Kōloa rum. We're going to be using our white rum, simple syrup, fresh lemon juice, Aloha Spice Company's great guava lime smoked Hawaiian sea salt, and fresh brewed hibiscus white tea.
Awesome. Yeah, David, let's get it cracking.
Awesome, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, so first of all, we're gonna start with our fresh raspberries. I like to use 5 raspberries. So guava lime smoked Hawaiian sea salt.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna muddle the juice out from the raspberries, incorporate it with the
Muddling, huh?
sea salt.
All right.
So good muddle. Then we'll be adding our
man.
first ingredient, which would be 1 ounce of our Kōloa white rum, made with pure sugar cane, fresh Hawaiian rainwater from Mount Waialeale, and then we distill on Kauaʻi as well, so we're local.
Awesome.
So 1 ounce of this guy.
Oh, you have to be fancy with it, yeah?
We're gonna go 3/4 ounces of simple syrup.
Okay.
So 3/4 ounce.
Awesome.
1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. 1/2 ounce. 1 ounce of our fresh brewed hibiscus white tea. Perfect for 2021.
Yep. Need that.
Give it a... So when you're shaking, you're trying to accomplish 3 things. You're trying to chill, dilute, and then also mix. So we're gonna put our fresh ice inside of our glass, ready to go. Cover. Give it a good shake. Crack our tin.
Oh, he never just dropped the foam on the top.
And this is a neat one. So we're using club soda. This is a technique we call rolling it in. So we're gonna roll in the club soda to the tin.
Let's roll.
So that way it's already mixed when we pour it into our glass. So this is called double strain. So I have 1 strailer. Our double strain. Then from here, we're gonna be making our garnish. Fresh lemon.
Just poured it from the...
So we're trying to take off just the outside, not too much of the pith on the inside where the bitterness is. Yeah. Poke it through one side here.
Yeah.
Grab our fresh raspberry. Getting a little fancy.
Looks like a hammock.
Some fresh mint. Ooh, this is really nice mint.
What's that?
To express some of the smell, the aromatics.
Okay.
Nice and refreshing. And then, awesome ginger blossom. And there you have it. Cheers.
Aloha 2021, baby.
Aloha 2021.
Oh yeah, David. Awesome job, bro.